How's it going, everybody, and welcome back to another fun, exciting episode, D Squared Fishing. I'm David here. We are at a new location. Today, we are at Haw River, North Carolina. Never been here before. Heard some good things about it, especially there's some good bass in here. Brim, crappie, and an occasional rainbow trout, which I think that would be kind of odd. But hey, we're gonna try to rig up today. We're trying to get to our spot. We heard about like a waterfall island area that we're gonna try to go to and see if we can link up with some fish today. But hey, if you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe, stay tuned, and let's get rigged up, and hopefully we'll catch something today. Hopefully it's not a failure like in my last episode. Falling in the water is never fun. But anyway, thank you for watching. Let's get rigged. We made it to our destination. Perfect wading material all through here. Oh man, this looks nice and juicy. Dude, I'm happy we came here today. So hopefully we'll link up with something. I brought a host of everything. Typically my go-to creek, river slash whatever is a good old rooster tail. So let's throw up here a little bit. See what we can muster up. The water clarity's pretty murky. It's supposed to be a high of 70 today. Man, this area is looking juicy. So let's see if we can. I'm gonna go down there. Let's check this out down here. And y'all. Let's just pray that there is no copperheads down here, because if so, it will not be good. I wonder how I can get down here. Let's go down here. Oh man. Hope y'all can hear me with the water rushing. I'm gonna take my time, ease my way down here. Hopefully I don't break my leg. Man. I'll tell you right now, it doesn't smell too pleasant. It has that sewagey smell. Alright. See a bunch of minnows right here. I really don't know. People, I mean, litter everywhere. That's just horrible. New spot. It is always, you know, good to bring a host of things to try. Oh, I just saw a little brim coming after it. See a little brim. So let's just see if let's just see if we can even get a fish so we can get the skunk out of the boat. I don't care if it's a little dink, a little brim, just something. What we got in here? Oh, we got a lot of minnows. Nice little pocket over here. That'd be a good little pocket maybe. Tons of minnows through here. Always keep out for wildlife like snakes and stuff, because you're not alone in these waters. Might be it, y'all. This might be the deep pocket I am looking for. Not sure, but we'll try here for a while. Woo! Oh, yeah, this is pretty decent. Got a ton of area to throw. So, I guess that's. Oh, guys, it's a beaver. I just hope it don't attack me. So I wonder if this is a good place to stay, because since there's a beaver there, fish might be all gone. Got one. Finally. caught a little brim, a little sunfish. Now, I'm trying to figure out where that beaver went at the same time, because I don't know how aggressive they are. But anyway, first fish. Started way up there. I was mostly on this side. That was like more of a creek. This is more of like the river. And try to hit all these little pockets, all the little deep pockets that you can find, and see if you could, you know, catch something, because that's where they're going to reside. Now, you know, like these rapids over there, sometimes I know specifically trout, when I go fishing, the trout like to hide underneath or near those rocks with the rapids and all that. That's a good spot too. But my main focus was at least to find a pocket of deep water to see if I can catch something. Now, well, was going to show you. There you go. So he fell off just like that. My go-to in any creek, river, stream is definitely the rooster tail. I seem to do better with them. I've tried, of course, power bait with trout. That works as well. So there's a lot of options when it comes to river. A lot of people like to use crankbaits. What do you call it? Those little trout worms by power bait. Those are pretty good. Little grub worms. So there's a ton of options you can use in these rivers. But this water's pretty murky, murky and dark. So I just went with the black and gold to see if that would catch any. Now I did have a couple hits on the white and silver. Anything that can produce some type of shine, and attention to it would be a good choice. Fishing update for y'all. Hank's doing good. I'm not abandoned building. Look at this. Where am I at now? Interesting. This is pretty cool looking. Let's see if there's anything in it. Oh, what was that? I know you guys didn't see that, but I seen something like a like an orange belly or something, just kind of just like rotated in the water there. I see it. It's moving. It's right there. Yeah. You got a big one? It's right there. I have no, it might be a carp. It's following it. I'm getting it closer to us. It's a bass. Nice. Nice. Hank just caught him a bass way down there. See that? See that, y'all? Some type of fish doing a, I think it's that that one that I was talking to you guys about, where it's like a gold color. I think that has to be a carp. Well, everybody, that's why they call it fishing. Today was a rough day for me. Once again, only caught one little squeaker. But hey, it's always good to go somewhere new, experience new things. Now I know what to expect when I go there next time. Next time I'm definitely going to bring my waders. Buddy Hank, he caught a good amount of fish, caught a nice bass. Didn't get it all on film because we kind of spread out, but it was a good day overall. I mean, like I said, I enjoy being out in nature, and that's all it's all about. That is all what it is all about, if I could speak. Got allergies killing me. But anyway, hey, hit that like, hit that subscribe, and once again, thank you for watching D Square Fishing. Catch y'all later.